There's a lot of confusion among investors regarding mutual funds, investment time duration. A lot of time investors land up getting confused, or they don't know how to set the time duration or for how long they should be in a mutual fund investment. Commonly asked questions could be, are mutual funds for short term? Are mutual funds safer if we invest for a longer period of time, or if the time horizon is longer? Should we have time horizon which is maybe 3 to 5 years? These are very commonly asked questions. So now, to decide the time frame that you want to invest in a mutual fund, you should know what is your particular goal and also what is your risk appetite, because mutual fund offer you a lot of different types of products which are also differentiated by the time horizon you can invest in it. Like for example, talking about equity, you have large cap funds, you have mid cap funds, you have small cap, flexi cap, multi cap, so on and so forth. Now, equity as an asset class, we all know it's very volatile, and especially if you are a risk averse investor, you should try and stay away from that. If at all you're investing in it, you should be for a longer time duration, which definitely, if you are going through a mutual fund, the time duration needs to be at least 5 years and more than that. Now, if at all you're an investor who's conservative or who doesn't have a high risk appetite, you have option to invest in debt mutual funds, and there are 16 type of debt mutual funds, which offer different time durations. So right from time duration which could be, say, less than a year to several years, you can park in your money in different types of debt mutual funds. So mutual fund is a product that offers you a different kind of investments depending on the time duration you are comfortable with. So thinking that mutual fund is just for short term is really not the right thing. Decide what's your financial goal, decide or know what's your risk appetite, and accordingly choose a mutual fund.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.